Hello guys, this is Mr. Rao. I'm going to explain that Freepik.com. The Freepik.com is very important to knowing the designing persons and UI development and UI designing persons also, and such as like web designing persons also. And coming to this place, you can take this Google, and this Google you have to type here Freepik.com. Freepik. So on this freepik.com, here free vector and Photoshop PSD files, everything will be available here. So just you have to click on this link. It will be opening the site. See this here, this freepik.com website name, and using of the site, yes, you have to know the graphic resources. So which is graphic resources means here like there is two types of the graphics, that is called vector graphics and raster graphics. The using of the vector graphics, it's completely based on the curves. Okay, so curves means that is called, for example, Flash and Dreamwave, Flash and CorelDRAW. Okay, so if you know that one, raster graphics, that's completely based on the PSD files, that is called Photoshop file. So if you want that like graphics related vector and raster, that you have to go to this place. If you want to like vector designings, you have to type the vector backgrounds, for example vector and backgrounds. Just you have to click on this vector backgrounds, and it will suggest you if you need that vector graphics related the designings like weddings and heart vectors, and many vector files are that available. Just you have to select, for example, vector background. In this vector backgrounds, there is many images are available. For example, if you related like vector designing, or you need to keep some more backgrounds of your website or UI designing, so you have to get the complete vector and raster graphics related, these all are the images. So which is your using these images, for example, you have to click any image. For example, let's click on this designing. So in this designing, if you want to save the file, so if this file you want to save like JPG file, or else if you want to save this completely PSD files also, we have to download from these areas also, so that we need only the image. That's what we have to save this file on the desktop and use this is background related and save the file. So just connect the background file in this in the desktop. See this image. So in this image, if you want that source file also, we have to get that source file. If you want to edit that from your Photoshop or Illustrator, everything we need to save that files. But in this free tutorials, we have to get these all of the files, Freepik tutorials and Illustrator related and Photoshop related and Premium and Vector related. So these all are files are the available in this freepik.com. These all are the free. If you want to use that many files, you have to search from this area. If you want that vector logos, for example, vector logo, for example, click on this vector logo, and if you want that vector logo templates related and vector logos, just you have to click on the vector logos. So these all are the vector logos are available. If you're the new person to knowing that graphic designing and how to design the logos and everything, we have to get from these files, because of it can suggest you very easy way to knowing that designings. And if you want to any file, for example, let's take this file and this place, select this file. So these are the new logo design. If you want to create the new logo, for example, select this file and save this file image on the desktop. And after that, if you want to edit this image, you have to open the Photoshop. This Photoshop, go into this desktop and get the file in your Photoshop. This is the logos, and if you want to know that one, like to creating the new logo, and now we have to make the duplicate of this place, make the duplicate and come to this place and select the crop tool and make it crop. Enter. So that you have to create the another duplicate file here, and you need to create the logo. For example, you have to select this pick tool and select the background color and come to this place and create the new layer, and then you have to press alt backspace. Now you have to select the move tool and click and drag to this place. For example, if you want to give that your logo name, for example my tool, and select the text and use a color and click on this place and use this one and select the smooth tool and keep this place. See this one, it's very simply created our logo. So now we have to come to this place and enter it. If you want to keep this file, you have to save this file in JPG file format. Save this file, and for example that file name is my logo, and keep this one. If you want to create like say PSD file, or if you want to create like PNG file, or if you want to create like JPG file, you have to select this file and save it on the desktop and click OK. And coming to that this desktop, just open and see this one. So this is my tool. So this is a way to creating the logos and designing everything. So the freepik.com website is very important for the like vector designers and graphic designers and movie designers also, because it can completely providing the HD quality images also. Okay, so thanks for guys, you're spending your valuable time and taking the knowledge from my site. And if you want to know the further knowledge, could you please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.